Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is March 29 and it's raining and freezing. And I show you what's happening here. It's so danger to go outside, so I stay here only in the porch because ako guys, nangabali tanang mga kahoy diri oh. That's the pine tree are falling down their branches. Yeah, it's hit the house and it's raining. So hit the house. Oh my god, what's that? I'm so scared. So I'll just stand here only in the porch and I show you at the back also. Here, this what's happening now. You see? Okay, see? It's falling down the branches. Yan, bali. Yan, tingnan mo yung pine tree. It's pressing their leaves. See, there's an ice stick on the leaves of the pine tree. You can see that's what's happening here now, and it's too danger to go out. And so look, this one, see, it's an ice. See, it's become ice. Leaves. Oh, you can see that. Very. An ice, and it's raining. See, that's it guys, and we go in the back of the house. I show you what's happening here. A lot of woods here. See, we go there at the back of the house. Huh? And we have no current. It's brown out, black out here now.
Where's all our candles at?
Candles?
Yes, I had a bunch of candles.
Oh, which is big candles?
Yes, I had a bunch of candles.
Sitting in the room.
Not in the closet.
On top.
Be careful, son.
Okay, I'm here only. Standing. And say, look guys, here. Look that, it's, yeah, that's it hit in the garage. Some in the garage. That's the wood here. Oh. And that's happening, our pine tree. See, look. That one. So it's danger to go there and just only look. And look, that one, oh, get down the leaves. It's the pine tree, lot of ice. It's pressing its ice. See, that one. And here, that's the branch, look. So this is what happened. See, look, the branch is until in the ground. Oh, because it become heavy, that's why it's cut. That one, the eye, that's what's happening for the pine tree. If like this is pressing rain and pressing, it will become heavy. See, look, the trees are very, see, it's ice. Look, it's become ice, and that's why it's fallen down. And we have no current. See, look, the neighbor. See, there are a lot of branches down. See, dami guys. Ano? Itong sa amin, oh, dami na laglag, oh. See, nahawan dyan siya, oh. Nahawan good, oh. Na guys, nahawan. Na, dira, oh. Pana. Kini, oh. Diri. Moni siya. Na siya, guys. So, need to be careful and that's my first time to what's happening here. That's like that only. Yeah, just I know already that's what's happening here. That's why when last time I come here, I saw that there's a lot of branches down. So this is the time that it's become get down the branches, it cut, no. Mga bali jud ang sanga niya agi nabugatan siya sa ice kay ang iyang dahon, oh, na puro ice. Tingnan mo. Oh, ice jud na siya, oh, ba. Nag-ice mo siya, mabali siya. Yeah, hapit na po din nabali, oh. So almost maybe it will be take off also because it's become heavy. This is my first time like this. So I really feel amazing. Oh, that's look. Oh, see. Oh, that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. Only that today, March 29. That's what's happening. Okay, guys. Bye bye.